हेलो एंड वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल मिशन एसएससी क्लासेस। आज इस वीडियो में हम पढ़ेंगे इंपॉर्टेंट साइंटिफिक इंस्ट्रूमेंट के बारे में। एल्टीमीटर, इट मेजर्स एल्टीट्यूड एंड इज यूज्ड इन एयरक्राफ्ट। एमीमीटर, इट मेजर्स स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट। एनीमोमीटर, इट मेजर्स फोर्स एंड वेलोसिटी ऑफ विंड। ऑडियोमीटर, इट मेजर्स इंटेंसिटी ऑफ साउंड। ऑडियोफोन, it is used for improving imperfect sense of hearing. Barometer, it measures atmospheric pressure. Binocular, it is used to view distant objects. Dynamo, it converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. Photometer, it measures the depth of the ocean. Hydrometer, it measures the specific gravity of liquids. Hygrometer, it measures humidity in air. Lactometer, it determines the purity of milk. Microscope, it is used to obtain magnified view of small object. Periscope, it is used to view object above the sea level. Pyrometer, it measures very high temperature. Radar, it is used for detecting the direction and the range of an approaching plane by means of audio microwave. Seismograph, it measures the intensity of earthquake shocks. Stethoscope, an instrument which is used by the doctor to hear and analyze heart and lung sound. Telescope, it views distant object in space. Thermometer, the instrument is used for the measurement of human body temperature. Voltmeter, it measures the electric potential difference between the 2 points.